Hello and welcome back to another wig vid. In today's wig vid, we are going to be reviewing two different Amazon wigs. They are two different brands and they were two different prices. First one we are going to review is this lovely orange wig. It is so beautiful. The brand of the wig is, I don't know, I'll probably edit this video and realize that it's a very easy word to say. Baru-isi. Anyway, it came in this box right here, and yes, I did open it, but I haven't cut the lace off or got to wear it or anything. I was waiting so I could record a video for you guys. But in the box came the wig, and it was packaged in one of these lovely things, thank goodness. It had a little stuffing in it, so the wig would stay like nice and not like all flattened out and everything. So then there's like some accessories. We got Barusi card. This is some high quality, cheap wig right here. There we go. Oh, now look at that. See, it came with this cute little comb, so you can comb your wig. The actual wig did come in this wonderful bag here that is resealable, so I can put my wig back in it when I'm done. Also in the box, they gave me a wig cap, which is so nice because wig caps are, you know, you use them a couple times and then they kind of get bad. A lot of wigs come with like this, I almost like want to say this brand of wig cap. So anyhow, the ones from Amazon do. Oh wait, hang on. Poof! There's actually two. That is what came in this box. Now, let's check out the wig. This wig is lace front. This wig was $31.99. And honestly, for a lace front wig, $31.99 is really not a bad price. This hair, it's really silky. Like, not silky like fake plasticky silky. It kind of feels like they put something in it to help it stay detangled. Like, I'll put a lot of those silicone frizzies gels in my wigs to keep them nice and calm, you know, and make it easy to comb through, because you know, like, wigs get so tangled, especially the synthetic ones, I think. But this one, it like came with something already in the hair. Like, I can just comb my fingers through it, which a lot of the time you can't. And then check out, like, this wig is so long. It's got these beautiful curls. Let me show you the inside. So the inside, it does have a full frontal lace. So that means, like, yeah, you have, you know, a part right here, but I mean, realistically, you could take and you could part it anywhere, because there's lace all through the entire front. So you could part it in the middle, you could part it in the side, you could just get some crazy weird stuff going on. I don't know. We'll see how it looks when I put it on. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut the lace off of this wig, and then I will put it on for you. If you would like to see how to cut lace off of a wig, I'll be producing a video very soon that is dedicated just to that. So one moment and I'll pop this baby on. Alright, so this is my orange $31 wig with lace front. I cut the lace front. I'll get close here so you guys can see it. It's still got quite the kind of crisp line right here, so I'll probably do like a little bit of plucking and things like that. And I'll don't worry, I will show you all the plucking and all the fancy things you do to make a wig look more realistic. But oh my, I really like this wig. I mean, maybe it's just that this wig goes with the color of my skin. I don't know. It feels so soft. It feels so natural. The hair is just long and pretty. Let me show you the back. And there's so much of it. And I love the curls. So far out of these two, even though I haven't tried the blue one on, and I'm very excited to try that one on, this is definitely a winner. I love it. In every video I say this is my favorite wig. This isn't quite my favorite wig. I still have one favorite wig. But this is probably number 2. This is so cute. I love it, love it, love it. I'm going to try on the next wig. But before I do that, let me show you what this blue one looks like. The blue wig, as you can see, long, beautiful curly hair. It has the lace front, and then as you can see, there's quite a bit of lace throughout it, so that means you can part it however you want, or you can just not part it at all, or whatever you decide to do. I am glad this lace is a nice lighter color. If you would like to see a video on what to do with lace that doesn't match your skin tone, I'll put a video at the end screen that shows how to do that as well. So I'm going to cut the lace off. Whoa. I'm going to cut the lace off of this wig. So I'll be right back with the wig and the lace cut off. This is the last wig, the blue wig. You might have noticed I changed my outfit a little bit to kind of match the gothicness of the wig. So this wig came in this beautiful pink drawstring bag. What's in the bag? We have a wig cap, a little booklet. Let's see what else we got. Woo! Look it, it's a little brush. No more. I feel like a kid again. Here's this cute little brush, and I love it. So that's what was in the package. I actually used liquid blue eyeshadow on my lips, which I do a lot, not with blue, but other colors. And I put some little sparkles along my eyes to kind of match. I want to show you the hairline. I did put a clip in this side and then one in this side. And there is a nice little part here, but the hairline, the reason I put the clips in is, first of all, it's kind of poofing out, and I didn't want to poof out anymore. But the hairline isn't exactly as natural looking as I'd like. It's kind of straight. So this wig is going to require some plucking and baby hair cutting and all that stuff. But for $41, I would say this is a great buy. And I've never looked like this before, so I'm like, who the hell is that in my viewfinder? And then I realize it's me. But anyway, hey, there you go. Those are the two wigs from Amazon. Orange one was $31, blue one was $41. I will put the links in the description below if you would like to purchase these wigs. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you got value out of the video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. If you have any suggestions, leave them in the comments below. This channel is all about creativity. It's about creative living. So my name is Angela. The channel's name is Ms. Angela Sawyer. And you will find everything creative on my channel. So whether it be arts, crafts, creative ideas, furniture refurbishing, different techniques for beauty, wigs, all the creative stuff is right here. So go ahead, hit the subscribe button. I know you want to. Remember, hitting the subscribe button will feed a kitten. And then go ahead and hit that thumbs up button so YouTube pushes this video out to other folks. Because my goal is to hit 1,000 subscribers, and I would love it if you would help me with that goal. And you have a wonderful, fantastic day. Peace out.